Hey guys, it's Mike again from the RV Depot Supercenter down in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Today I want to show you a 2023 Heartland Big Country. Come on around. We're going to just go right on in, take a look at this. This is a great find that won't last long. Y'all need to come see us at the Supercenter RV Depot in Cleburne, Texas. As we walk into this beautiful coach, you walk into a mid-kitchen area in a front living design. And I want to start in this kitchen because a lot of times now, depending on your lifestyle, if you're going to be in this more than just occasionally, you need a kitchen, you need a place to congregate and do things. I want you to start out noticing residential fridge, y'all. Look at this. Big double door top refrigerator. Look at that. Can't beat it. Look at the size of this freezer. 4-drawer freezer. It's just awesome, you guys. Nice big. This is what I call the old farm style sinks that they have with the drain board across it. Another nice feature in here. Place for your coffee, extra counter space. Residential size 4-burner stove. Big oven. Nice microwave above, and it's also a convection microwave. And then here's something even great. You got a half bath right off the kitchen area. So if you have guests, they're not sharing your bathroom. You got a full half bath. Then over here on this side, in another slide out, you've got a dinette area. You've got extra chairs. But if it's just two of you, make it a little more cozy, what have you. Nice little dinette area. Pantry space over here. Plenty of drawer space. Drawers over there. Cabinets all above. Very nice. So let's go up in the living room. Lighted stairs going up. I want you to notice they're motion lights. When you start up the stairs, the lights come on. Nobody's going to trip. Now, this is called a front living. Obviously, why? Living room's up in the front. Okay? You have a TV on a telestrator. This TV goes up and down, push of a button. Okay? Electric fireplace. This does put out nice heat, so keep you warm in the wintertime. But we're inside now because, we're in Texas. It gets a little hot. Nice and cool in here, plenty of AC vents. It's all ducted all the way across. Then I want you to notice 2 couches on either side. This has opposing slides up here in this living room as well. But they also will make into a bed for guests to come over and stay. Then you have what I call your theater seating. These are reclining seats, kick back, and they're straight across from the television, which makes it great, okay? So nice, simple design, clean, easy to operate and maintain. Coming back down, I missed this coming in. Everything, how to run this coach is right here. And like I said, remember what I've said in the past, RVing for Dummies, 101, everything's printed out. It tells you how to do it right here. So now, next, heading up into the bedroom, the master bedroom. Couple options here. You can do a king mattress here, or you can do a queen if you want a little bit more room. Your closet is over here. You can do a couple different layouts. They wanted a full washer and dryer combo in this, okay? So they wanted a little bit less space. You still have your hanging area over there. Now, if you don't need all that, you can do a combo unit. Now, your bathroom, this is really, really nice. You have dual vanities in this master bathroom. This is super nice. His and hers, if you will. Plus, great walk-in shower with a seat. So I'm about 6'2" on a good day. So hopefully I have more good days than bad, y'all. Got a one shower, everything's great. I got plenty of room in here. I don't feel cramped or closed in, okay? So great shower area. Plenty of storage. You got medicine cabinets on both sides of this vanity as well. Plus a center storage. Places for towels, what have you underneath. All right, this 2023 Big Country front living is available now, but it won't last long at the RV Depot Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. My name's Mike. Come see me or any of my cohorts and we'll take really good care of you.